Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can download languages to translate when offline or when on-device mode is turned on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Translate. Next, tap on Download Languages. And from the list here, tap on the Download button. And then in here, choose Download Later over Wi-Fi or Download over Cellular. So select the language that you would like to download. And after that, tap on the back key to go back to your Translate settings page. Otherwise, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.